Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods, and we're here in Berkeley to create today a Zucchini Baba Ganoush. Now, Baba Ganoush, as you know, is normally made using eggplant. The eggplant is either baked or roasted, then it's scooped out, and tahini and olive oil and so forth are added to it. But instead of eggplant, we're going to be using summer squash. We're going to be using zucchini and crookneck. So here we go. Here's a zucchini squash, and let us just put this through. And how about a crookneck squash, summer squash? Okay. Now here we have our grated squash, and to this we're going to be adding a couple of tablespoons of our alive organic sesame tahini. Okay, we've added so far four tablespoons of tahini. And now, how about a tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, made from almonds grown right here in the great Central Valley of California, in the vicinity of Fresno, by a wonderful farming family. We've been dealing with them for over 20 years. So we have our tahini, our almond butter, and why not some olive oil? Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt, some juice from limes, okay. And how about a clove or two of garlic? Let's add a bit of garlic, if you will. And now let's give it a mix. So here you have it, my dear friend, our alive, organic, and raw Baba Ganoush. Imagine serving this to friends and family on a festive occasion this autumn. It is our privilege to share with you. Your comments and suggestions are most welcome. please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you indeed. Let us go forward.